Welcome to the world of quantum computing, a technology poised to redefine the limits of computation. But how exactly do these revolutionary machines operate? We'll dive into the fundamental principles that allow quantum computers to achieve unprecedented processing power. A quantum computer harnesses the strange and powerful laws of quantum mechanics to solve problems that are currently impossible for even the most advanced classical supercomputers. Classical computers use bits, representing information as either a 0 or a 1. Quantum computers, however, use something far more powerful. The core component of a quantum computer is the qubit, or quantum bit. Let's explore what makes them so special. A qubit isn't limited to 0 or 1. It's defined by its unique ability to exist in a state of superposition. Superposition allows a qubit to represent multiple possibilities simultaneously. This exponentially increases the amount of information the computer can process in parallel. Beyond superposition, another bizarre quantum effect, entanglement, provides the necessary connections between qubits. Entanglement links two or more qubits in such a way that they share the same fate. Measuring the state of one instantly tells you the state of the other, no matter the distance separating them. This interconnectedness creates a powerful computational resource, allowing entangled qubits to process information in a highly coordinated and accelerated manner. To perform computations, quantum computers rely on quantum gates, which manipulate the states of qubits. These quantum gates are the equivalent of the logic gates in classical computers, but they operate on qubits in superposition and entanglement, enabling far more complex transformations. By connecting a sequence of quantum gates, we form quantum circuits, which are the blueprints for executing quantum algorithms. The true power of quantum computing is unlocked through specialized algorithms designed to leverage superposition and entanglement. One famous example is Shor's algorithm, which could efficiently factor large numbers, a task that would break most of our current encryption methods. Grover's algorithm offers a significant speedup for searching unsorted databases, potentially revolutionizing areas like big data analysis. Quantum computers promise breakthroughs in fields like drug discovery, materials, science, and financial modeling by simulating complex molecular interactions with unmatched accuracy. Despite their potential, quantum computers face significant engineering challenges today. Maintaining coherence, the quantum state of the qubits, is incredibly difficult, requiring extremely low temperatures and isolation from environmental noise. As researchers overcome these hurdles, quantum computing promises to unlock new frontiers in science and technology, transforming our world in the decades to come.